Everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. At this time, the Bittorrent token holder is doing a very big mistake. If you are a holder of BTT, so please keep watch this video till the end, friends, and be safe from loss. If you watch this video complete, so absolutely you will be safe from loss. And if you don't do this mistake, so you will be and the loss. Let's see, my friends. First of all, we discuss the latest update of Bittorrent token, and after that, we discussed the mistake of Horus. Let's see, my friends. Let's move on. Let's start the video, my friends. The latest price of the Bittorrent token BTT in the market as 0.004267 USD dollar is the latest price of Bittorrent token. On the other side, if you look, the price changes occur in the Bittorrent token. So absolutely, the last 1 hour pricing is going negative. Last 1 day pricing is positive. Last 1 week pricing is positive. Only the last 1 hour pricing is negative, except of the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, last 1 weekend pricing is going positive. So now at this time, that's means from the last 1 hour, the funding period of the Bittorrent token are start now. So you know what, my friends, why the price of Bittorrent token is fast down, my friends? It is due to the end of month. As you know, it is the end of month, so every cryptocurrency is fast down, my friends. Every cryptocurrency is not only Bittorrent token price fast down. Every cryptocurrency is Cardano, XRP, Ripple coin, Dogecoin fast down, my friends. So it's not mean that you decide to sell, my friends. Now you can see here that is the last 1 month price chart of the BTT token. Last 1 month price chart, you can see it continuously fast down occur in a Bittorrent token. And if you look, the price changes occur in the Bittorrent tokens. Absolutely, the price change is also negative 43.11%. The price fast down occurs in a Bittorrent token, and the highest price is 0.009071 USD dollar. And you can see here that the current price 0.004247 USD dollar is the current price of BTT. So absolutely, if you decide to sell Bittorrent token in this time, so you are in the loss because the last 1 month price change as negative. And if you decide to hold, so maybe in the future they'll start moving upward, and when they start moving upwards, so absolutely you will get a good amount of profit from the BTT. What do you think? What is your opinion? What is your prediction about BTT? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.